Nobody told you this. You do not need a single follower, a single subscriber, or a single view to make real money with AI in 2026. The people telling you that you need an audience first are wrong. And today, I am going to prove it with 4 specific methods you can start today. The biggest barrier most people believe exists between them and AI income is an audience. They think they need thousands of followers on social media or thousands of subscribers on YouTube before they can earn a single pound from AI tools. That belief is holding back an enormous number of people, because the methods I'm going to show you in this video require 0 audience, 0 followers, and 0 viral content. They require only the right AI tools, the right platforms, and the willingness to take the first step. Welcome back to Wealth AI, where UK personal finance meets AI tools to help you build real wealth. Subscribe if you have not already. Method 1 is the fastest path from 0 to first income, selling AI-powered services on freelance platforms. Fiverr and Upwork are marketplaces where businesses post projects. You do not need followers here. The platform brings clients to you. High-demand services include AI video creation, AI copywriting, and AI voiceover production. Price your basic package between £40 and £100. Consistent effort can generate up to £1,500 per month. Method 2 requires no clients at all. Create a digital product once and sell it repeatedly, completely passively. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy use their own search to bring buyers to you. No audience required. Examples include Notion templates, AI prompt packs, and finance spreadsheets, all built in a single weekend. One product can generate up to £150 per week. Create 5 products and the numbers multiply. Method 3 is the most underused in the UK, targeting local businesses in your area. Search for local businesses like restaurants or estate agents. Most have weak or outdated online content. Offer to create 1 month of social media content using AI for a flat fee of £150 to £300. Retain those clients on a monthly retainer, and the income becomes recurring. 0 followers of your own required. Method 4 is for those comfortable with technology, setting up AI automations for small businesses. Tools like Zapier allow you to connect software without coding. Businesses pay well for the time saved. Charge between £200 and £1,000 for setup. This model scales significantly as your skills develop. Choose one method, just one. Then take one specific action on it today. Not this week, today. Hit the like button if this opened your eyes. Subscribe to Wealth AI for next week's UK first-time buyer strategy. I am Wealth AI, and this is just the beginning. Go find your first AI income.